Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I bring you an idea to do some activity in painting. The first one, we have to make a colorful tree in acrylic painting. So using palette knife and picking multi acrylic colors, place it on the canvas in the form of triangle shape. Second step, spray the little water on transparent sheet and place on the colors. Using fingers and spread the colors gently just around it. Now we can see beautiful multicolors of leaves. The third step, take back the transparent sheet and place it reverse at bottom. Press it with fingers and just do it as I am doing. Now using wet flat brush horizontal brush strokes from one corner to next corner to get blur shade of the falling leaves effect here. The fourth step, using flat brush and picking brown acrylic color just to keep the bristle vertically and to create the trunk of the tree. Using long bristle linear brush and dip with black acrylic to create the stem and branches of the trees. Vary the sizes and directions of the branches to make them beautiful look for us. Using flat brush, picking some brown and white to create sand part. Applying from down to up brush strokes like this down left corner of this canvas. Second step, next using paletting knife, applying aqua blue and white to create the water body. Third step, spray little water around on it to create the water body. The fourth step, place the transparent sheet on it and give lesson pressure on it. Step by step do it as I am doing. The beautiful easy seascape painting is ready. Next step, going to create the shadow. So the creating shadow and sand is going to meet the sea foam. So I am using flat brush size 2 and picking little black and white, mixing well together and to be creating shadow underneath here. first step, squeeze drops of rainbow colors directly onto your canvas. The second step, using wet sponge with little water, not more, and dab the colors gently. Just do it as I am doing. Use 7 small sponges for 7 all the colors. If you use same sponge to pick next colors, it will create some other new colors. So just avoid it. The third step, using long bristle linear brush and dip with black acrylic to create the trunk and branches of the trees. Vary the sizes and the directions of the branches to make them beautiful look too. Just to decorate the paintings, our beautiful painting is ready. Painting step 1. Squeeze drops of your acrylic color directly onto your canvas. Top, using a sponge, gently dab the color step by step and replicate the skyline down bottom here. Straight brush strokes to give a reflections in the water. Just pull down like this with a sponge from one corner to the end. Dabbing is a painting technique where is mixing of any one or two or more acrylic paint mixing together, then apply to a surface of the canvas using a brush or sponge in a dabbing motion. Here for this dabbing techniques I am only using the sponge. I am not using brush. Dabbing techniques, picking up paint with your sponge and dabbing repeatedly on the surface of the canvas. Any kind of visual can be achieved by fabbing the surface with strokes to create and form a beautiful image. Surface texture is very important. A smooth surface will result in good visible brush strokes. While doing this dabbing techniques, don't press too hard on the sponge while you are painting. Give strokes gently without adding any pressure. Wherever it feels hard to paint, wet your sponge with little water, not more, before painting. Step 2. Using long bristle linear brush, dip with black acrylic to create the trunk, stem and branches of the trees, both top and bottom. Step 3. Create some water here. So using light blue and white acrylic, creating here uneven brush strokes for a natural water reflection. Our beautiful painting is ready.